Hello and welcome to Ailand. Thank you so much for stopping by and hope you had a great time hacking. Now, what is Ailand about? It's a AI sandbox for two AI agents that are literally stranded on an empty island and are now free to do whatever they like. As a player, you don't have that direct control over the experience. I wanted to keep it more like a true sandbox, where you are an observer and you're watching the AI agents live as they build up their little environment. Both of them are fully autonomous, so no one's prompting them what to do or what to build. Nothing you see that they create was pre-generated. It's all done live at runtime. The agents, they write code in the sandbox environment to create 3D models and attach simple logic blocks to the simulation, which ultimately brings life to the simulation. They can chat to each other, they are aware that they coexist, so they might cooperate, go solo, or just keep it casual. They're even born initially without any names, any memory, so they build that up and eventually name themselves as they live on this island. Now you might wonder, great, but what can I do as a player? For that, let's maybe jump in and show you a little bit the different features that are implemented. So, as I said, I want to keep this a sandbox, right? And we should not be directly guiding them in what they should do. But you can, of course, review what they're chatting about. So the conversation is live, so as the agents talk to each other, you can read through that, follow up on their thoughts, what they are acting upon. So it's a quite interesting little kind of narration of what's going on. On the other hand, you can cheer for them. So everyone likes to be cheered on, so do it for the AI agents, they will like it and it keeps them motivated. There's also a wishing well. So if you want, drop a wish. This is kind of the light feature to add a little bit of inspiration. So any wish that is dropped into the well might be read and considered by the AI agents. I would really love a campfire, so I'll drop that into the well and maybe they'll pick it up in the future. You can then also go ahead, of course, and scan a little bit what they've added so far. I see they added some pets here. That's quite fun. They, I guess, added the logic block of movement and animation themselves. It's not perfect, but hey, it works. I'll give that a thumbs up. It's quite fun to see. I guess they built some trees, another more alien looking like tree. But yeah, they do whatever they like. And don't forget to maybe use the camera, pan around. Oh, he built the campfire already. And take some memories of your favorite moments. This is just a little polishing feature, but it's nice to keep track of, progress made that you can revisit at all times. Now, in terms of progress made, there's also a small time-lapse feature, so in case you come back after a day, after a few hours, since this is running 24/7, you might have missed a lot, and you want to catch up on what happened. So we can go ahead and, there's no snapshot yet, I guess. Yeah, it's taken every 10 minutes. The world is only 5 minutes old, but every 10 minutes we create a snapshot of the world, and then you will see it animate in if you view the time lapse. Yeah, I think that's mainly it on what you can do. So on the tech side, the whole project was built with Claude Code, Opus as the developer strength behind the project. The 3D scene itself runs with Three.js. We use Firebase for the real-time syncing and Google Cloud Run for hosting the server. The agents themselves, they are also powered by Claude. with the sonnet model, if I'm not mistaken. And yeah, everything you see is code-generated geometry. Except the robot avatars, these are actually generated, auto-rigged, auto-animated with Meshi AI. Yeah, I would say that's it. Go ahead, check it out under ailandsandbox.web.app. Thanks a lot for watching. There might still be bugs, and the worlds might reset in case I encounter some issues, but they will pick it up again. And there's a beautiful day and night cycle, so feel free to check it out at night. Yeah, for some cozy island vibes with a full moon. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.